What we usually consider as impossible are simply engineering problems. There's no law of physics preventing them. Yes, today in this video I am going to show you how to use Tinkercad to design, build and test simple circuits. Tinkercad has a lot to offer as a design program, but it also serves as a replacement for Autodesk discontinued 1 to 3D circuit service, which was free and easy to use breadboard simulator. So now, so now, to get started with, you can visit this as Tinkercad itself suggests. So you can visit this site tinkercad.com and you can create an account with this. Okay, I've already created an account with this. So I'm going to just sign in, and then you can also create an account using your Google ID, or you can also create an account using your Apple ID, and even any other email IDs also can be used, and even students also can join away from here. Okay, so now you can, I'm signing in with my own Google ID, and okay, after signing in you'll be guided towards this page. So now in this video, I'm going to just basically deal about circuits. You can also create 3D designs from here. You can also create code blocks over here. But today in this video, I'm just going to deal about circuits. So you can click over here on the circuits and you can start creating a new circuit from here. So now for for a new circuit, for any circuit to build up, you need a power source. So for that now, okay, you can search for power source over here, and now you have this part. These are batteries. Here we have different types of batteries. You have all types of components over here. From, you can select all also from here instead of basics, and then use them as you like. And here you have this name. You can change this name, you can save this, and here you have this. You can rotate this battery anyhow, like this. You can rotate these batteries. You can delete also this. If you don't want this battery, you can delete this, and you can also do undo also, redo also, whatever you can do. And then you can also create like this, write a note over here, and then you, with the help of this, you can remove the note also. So like this you can continue with this menu board. Okay, and then you can even start simulation from here, and then you can also code from here. Toggle code create editor. You can also export your this circuit to Autodesk, and then you can also share this to any other desk. And then now let's start basically. And now for this, I'm just taking this batteries. So in all these batteries we have one positive terminal and one negative terminal. In here also we are having one positive terminal and one negative terminal. Now if you want to increase the number of batteries in this one, you can just go to your count battery. It's written one battery. You can add in four, even you can add two batteries, just whatever power source you need. According to that, you can increase and decrease the number of batteries. You can select any options over here. So built-in switch, you can also make it off. And no, okay, so I'm not going to use this one battery. I'm going to remove this battery, just one battery this I'm going to use. So these are all the properties of these batteries. We can change the properties of these batteries as we like. So now after this power source, we need a light, LED light. So now, okay, you can connect even these batteries with different wires also. So because these batteries they are having two terminals, so we can connect them with wires. Then this positive over here. Okay, do you want to? Okay, so you have one positive terminal. This red is positive, and this is negative terminal. So now you want LED source, so you can type over here LED. Okay, you'll get this LED, and then you can use this LED now. So you have different all other different types of LEDs also over here. You can use any one of these. Okay, what is this LED? This is light emitting diode, and then we'll talk about this more in future videos and what diode is. So LED right here, we notice that there is a bent kind of, there is a bent kind of, this one leg is bent over here, and this is anode and this is cathode. So we just need to know this much in this. Okay, then this light emitting diode and LED gives off light when electricity flows through it. It has a positive anode and negative cathode side to it. It will not work if put in backwards. So now you can connect this. This is the main electronic component, and then this LED looks like we see there is one shorter leg also, and then this is the electronic schematic. But right now we just need to know that this is light emitting diode or LED, and this here you have this longer leg, this is anode and this is cathode. We just need to know this much. And this one is positive, anode is positive and cathode is negative. So now, okay, so you can even move this one. You can also connect this with wires anyhow you like, and now you can rotate also this one if you want. Okay, now you want to connect this wire from here. Okay, look, I have connected this one, and after that, okay. Okay, I'm connecting this wires like this, and now you can start a simulation. Let's see what happens. Let's check. Okay, it's sometimes some type of explosion over here. Maybe the current is too much. So now we can use resistors in this case to. What are resistors now? Well, it does exactly what it sounds. It resists the flow of current. So like a resistor is something that slows the flow of current. So now we can use resistors over here and then prevent the too much flow of current. So now I'll select over here resistor. And here is the resistor. You can use this resistor, and now you can connect this one to resistor. Okay, first I'll Okay, I'll connect this terminal over here and this terminal to of this. You can connect this register anyhow. So I'm connecting this to here. Now check by pressing this start simulation. Now what happens? Look, it is glowing very properly. So you can do like this. You can create simple circuits and then enjoy your science experiments. You can explore more with the help of Tinker Cad. Keep on exploring and enjoying